very excited. Hey you guys, I just got off work. I'm in my car in this incredibly hot polo shirt. But I also got a message in a certain app, and I've got very exciting news. So I will switch through the camera and I'll show you. Hold on. Let me get out. Here we go. For those of you who have been following me a little longer, you might know this. It's been a while, but here we go. This is our office, E-Zone office, which is our freight forwarder. I'm collecting a package. I'll show you in a sec. Well, I just got out of the office. And look at that. It's bigger than I thought it would be. So yeah, let's get home and open this up. Well, back home, I have changed into something more comfortable. And I'm very excited. There it is. It's not heavy. It's not shaking. I'm not hearing anything. So yeah, want to wrap this up? No, it is wrapped. Want to open this up with me? Let's do something about the camera. Yeah, let's do this. Hold on. Here we go. Let's open this up. In the meantime, am I going to tell you already or not? I don't know. This is from one of you beautiful woman from the Netherlands, and she contacted me and said, maybe I can do something for you. Not just something, it's incredible. So let's see what's in there. It's a bit bright today. What's this? This is probably something else. What did you do, my friend? I don't know. I really partially don't know what's in here. I'm just too... What's this? Oh, no, it's tearing. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, they're all falling out. Oh, I have it upside down. Oh, I see it now. Look, I didn't look on the backside. They're letter stamps. Oh, my word. That was not what we said you would send me. Oh. Look. And they are all letters. Oh. I didn't know you would put that in here. Okay, bubble wrap, foam. Anything else in here? Oh, don't throw anything away. No. I will keep this. And nope, no address. Here we go. What is wise? Maybe this. I think this knife needs to be replaced as well. It won't even cut through paper tape. Oh my word. Oh no, it's not in there. It's in here, of course. Okay. Sorry, hold on. It's in its original box even. Look, can you tell? Oh my word. Where does it open? Oh, she taped it. Of course she did. Very wise. My heart, my word. My heart is racing, people. This is ridiculous, really. You know what this is, don't you? Oh, I'm going to turn the camera. What can I say? You know Ellen from Ellen's Atelier? If you don't look her up and send her love, she contacted me and she said you can borrow a controller. So she sent this to me. It took a while before it got here, of course, but without any question, she just said, you know what, I have one. I'm not using it right now. You can borrow it. So, wow. Just wow. What can I say? I don't know what to say. So yeah, now all I have to do is ask hubby. Well, he already said, I'll be there tomorrow. Yeah, ask hubby to install it. We have to switch the plug, because on my kiln there's a different one, but we can most likely change that one onto this one, and it even still has plastic on it. Not taking it off, by the way. So goosebumps all over. And yeah, thank you so much, Ellen. The link to your channel will be in the description, of course. You are a lifesaver. Thank you so much. And yeah, as soon as I can fire again, I still have those pieces from a workshop in there, and I will take you all with me with unloading that. So yeah, I love you. Thank you.